Hello, this is Victor at restoringmercedes.com. This video is for Lars in Sweden. Okay, Lars, so this is what I have here for you. Your Egas module in the vehicle. I drove this car for about 5 miles on my good known throttle bodies, and it does work fine. Idle speed is good, post-start enrichment is good, and cruise control works fine, so I don't think there is any issues with the Egas module. As for throttle bodies, I do see these are sort of checked out throttles. Looks like somebody tried to cut into the wiring to inspect the cables. On these throttles, because these are older style, the wires don't go bad. Okay, so, and they do not connect to 95 model, only 91 to 93. And 91 to 92 in Europe, and no, 91 to 93, I'm sorry, yes. 94 connectors are different. As you can see, this is 94, 95, smaller connectors. So for that reason I had to make adapters so I can connect your throttle bodies to the vehicle and to the bench test as well. So these are the adapters, this is your plug, and I have some adapters and they connect directly into the car. Same on the driver's side. As you can see, off they go, plug into my connector, and this is my throttle body. So let's energize them. Let's put the ignition on. Okay, so power is on and throttle bodies do energize. As you can see, they both are humming, and they also open and close. The noise from the motor here, sometimes they're louder, sometimes they're quieter. This is abnormally loud, so I'll take a look into it, but sometimes magnet shifts and the motor becomes more loud, but from what I can tell they seem to be active, even though it's very, very loud. Usually it's not really a concern. Once the engine's running, you will not hear it. And besides, throttles usually don't open all the way unless you floor it, so their operational range is about this much only. Believe it or not, normal driving, they open like this the most. So that's normal kind of driving style. So as you can see, if you drive normally, you're not going to really hear any noises. So this is quick activation. This is super loud. So I'll look into that, but so far I can't really tell that there's anything wrong with them. They seem to operate. And I also start the vehicle now, so you can see that they actually work when the engine is running. Obviously I cannot drive the vehicle because they're not on the intake manifold. And you can also see, because I don't get air supply into my intake because throttles are not installed on the car, I don't get no ASR light or anything. So and the RPMs are high, because in reality throttles right now, my throttles are slightly open, whereas yours slightly closed, so therefore idle is higher. But they do, as you can see, they're still active. So, and if you look closely at the throttle plate opening, you see it tries to adjust slightly, which is also a good sign. Very hard to see, but they slightly move when you let go of the gas. You see how they just shifted slightly backwards. As you can see, they close down on deceleration. Again, don't mind the engine running like this, because I don't give it air. It's starving for air right now, because the engine is running, but it's not getting proper air mixture at the moment. Poor little thing. But anyway, and here is our limp mode. This is the limp mode. Engine will normalize now. There it goes. So computers go into limp mode. And throttle bodies also go into limp mode. See, only one throttle opens. But that's going to happen because I don't press on the gas pedal. There is a switch there. So anyway, so this is going to wrap it right now. For now, it's gonna wrap up. Again, I can reactivate it, it'll work. So for now, I'll wrap up this video. Just this is the first preliminary testing. To me, they look fine, but I'll put them on the bench as well, and then I'll talk to you about exact symptoms again. Alright, so this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.